Welcome to the Casey Show, where top leaders spill the tea. I am so excited to share with you some news. I have been working on something for a while now, but it took me a while to recognize that although I can bring some top experts in different fields on my show, I'm not sharing my own knowledge with my friends. I have been watching and reading about the exodus of so many educators from the brick and mortar classrooms, and it is just truly heartbreaking. I've been talking about this with my teacher friends for some time now, as I am always one who wants to provide a support network and create a community where people feel seen and heard. It hurts my heart. So I have done some research, and educators are pivoting into other careers such as the insurance industry, virtual assisting, drop shipping, retail, teaching online, tutoring, independent teaching, all kinds of things. But according to December 2021 article in EdWeek, the 5 common problems why teachers say they want to quit are 1, poor management, 2, professional input not taken seriously, 3, staffing shortages, 4, lack of respect, and 5, classroom management. So do any of these things ring true for any of you? I'm going to check the comments here every once in a while and see if you have any questions or anything for me. Hopefully y'all, yeah, okay, looks good. So you should be able to hear and see me still. So have any of you recently left the classroom for any of those reasons or other reasons that I didn't put on the list? So some educators are choosing to remain in the brick and mortar classroom due to their love for their students and fellow teachers. This doesn't mean those who left don't love their students. I have heard from many of you how much you miss seeing the growth your students make over the course of the school year. Other reasons why teachers stay in the classroom are due to concerns for not being able to find a replacement income or the need for health insurance. So I pulled this group actually, and 2 of those things, or those 2 things, were some of the top votes. But my friend posted a poll in one of her groups, and she asked online teachers, what would you change about online teaching? 17 out of the 35 respondees said their salary, and 14 people said the hours I work. If you're an online teacher with some of these ESL companies, I'm sure you can agree. So looking at these 2 groups of educators, there are a few things that I've noticed. The Great Resignation came at a time when people have been struggling for some time with several stressors in the educational field. Do either of these groups of educators sound like you? So are you an educator? Did you teach online or in the classroom like me? So I know that I have experienced the feelings of being in both groups. So how do we get out of this cycle? I am all about positivity and building one another up. For that reason, moving forward this month, I'd like to share a sneak peek with you of the freedom process, the first step toward building your educational empire. We can do this together, one step at a time. And to show that I am here for you, I will share my Calendly link in the comments for you to schedule a chat, as I'd love to hear more about where you are in your journey as a professional educator, whether you are traditional or virtual classroom teacher. I have done both as well. I don't have a magic wand, but I can listen to your concerns and maybe even offer a few helpful suggestions too. So I actually am going to put my Calendly link in there for you. And this really all started because I didn't know what to do or how I could help teachers. I love being a part of something bigger. I hope that makes sense. So another super fun tool that teachers are sure to want is access to the Teacher Mind or Mastermind sessions. We're going to be holding them weekly in my Facebook group. So you can join us in the Teachers Mastermind Your Online Business Facebook group. And if you are a teacher, and you can also have the chance for us to do a mastermind around your business and see where we can help you. So I guess I should put that link in as well. Let me add that link for those that want it. So this is the Teacher Master. This is where we can get the Teacher Mind or masterminds around your business. So I do have one more quick announcement that I wanted to make. This seemed really popular when I brought this to other teachers. I'm going to be interviewing a public speaking and TEDx coach, Tina B, and that's going to be Monday live on my YouTube channel. She's going to be talking about camera confidence or confidence in front of the camera. I don't know if you guys were here when she came in this group with me, but I had talked about how I would literally get sick before coming on live or just making videos. And so having someone in our corner to give us some tips and tricks, I think is awesome. Hey, Jennifer, thanks for coming. I'm happy to help teachers too. You know, I love it. I absolutely love it. So that is all I have for you today. Feel free to book that 15-minute call with me. My Calendly link is below. And join our Facebook group. I can't wait to do a mastermind around your teaching business. All right, everybody, until next time, have a great one. See you next week. Bye.